Hey everyone, Ryan from Foxtecc here. Today I'm going to show you how to remove or manage iMessage notifications on your iPhone. If you're getting too many notifications or just want to control when and how you're alerted, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Let's get right into it. First, to turn off iMessage notifications completely, start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see Messages and tap on it. This is where all your iMessage settings are managed. Next, tap on Notifications. Here, you'll see the option to toggle off Allow Notifications. If you toggle this off, it will stop all notifications from iMessage, so you won't receive any alerts for incoming messages. This is a quick and easy way to silence all iMessage notifications if you want to go completely off the grid. If you prefer more control over your notifications rather than turning them off entirely, you can scroll down within the notification settings and adjust specific options. For example, you can choose to silence sounds, disable banners, or hide previews of your messages. This allows you to customize how you're notified without shutting off everything. Now, if there are just a few specific contacts or conversations that you want to mute, there's another option. Open the Messages app and select the conversation you want to mute. Tap on the contact or group name at the top of the screen, and you'll see an option to toggle on Hide Alerts. This will mute notifications for that specific conversation without affecting your other messages. And that's it. You've now got a few different ways to manage or remove iMessage notifications on your iPhone, whether you want to silence everything or just tweak a few settings. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tech tips. See you guys later.